welcome to the CONS3RT Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to import a software asset. If you would like to review how to import a test asset, or if you would like to review using the software builder, be sure to follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. To import a software asset, head on over to Applications, select Add, select I have an archive with a properties file. Here, you will be presented with the option to either choose a file from your computer or to drag and drop. You will receive an email when the asset has finished uploading. Select Finish. And soon enough, you will be able to use that asset. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the CONS3RT Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit our help site, which features these videos and articles that cover these topics in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.